We have our Logitech WCP 9000K camera here, which we are using for image processing, visual servo, and we need few preparations to be made before we can use this webcam. So there is a standoff here which we do not require, so I'm gonna show how to remove the standoff from the camera. First, let me take a knife and take this rubber off. As you can see, there is a screw in it. So I'm gonna remove all the screws. So as I can see, the pads are ripping off now as I have the screws out. So once I have all the screws out, I'm gonna slowly remove this. So I have the base plate removed now. As you can see, there are 4 more screws here to take this off. Slowly, if I turn it, I have the part removed. We have a rotor here which we need, so I'm gonna keep that there. We can actually remove these two, but I'm gonna keep it. So now we have our camera holder here, which is a 3D motor built. Designed for our home bot. So I'm gonna place this here. So as you can see, those 4 holes are lined now. I'm gonna use 256 1/4" screws. So I have those 4 screws in place now. As you can see, I can rotate the camera to almost about 180 degrees. To make sure the camera is stiff and steady when the robot is moving, we are gonna use knurled thumb screws as a stopper over here. So this gives the user a flexibility to align the camera to whichever angle is needed for the task and keep the camera steady there. So as you can see, if I tighten this up, the camera now doesn't move. So there is one more hole here which goes to the mast holder, mast stand, which is on the board. So to make sure this camera holder sits in the mast stand firmly, we're gonna place this here and tighten it up when we put this on the stand. So we have our webcam ready for our home bot now.